Good morning, class. I'm Jocelyn Imbais, your subject teacher in ICT 10 Computer Hardware Servicing. Welcome back again to our new normal class. This lesson will be your second quarter lesson for week 3 and 4. The objective for today is explain the procedures in using the computer system configuration tools. Our topic for today is all about procedures in using the computer system configuration tools. System configuration is the way a system is set up. It is the collection of components that make up the system. Configuration. Configuration can refer to either hardware or software or the combination of both. The subsequent sections below present the various procedures in using computer system configuration tools. First, we have accessing and using Microsoft System Configuration. Just click on Start button. In the search box, type Run. In the Run window, type msconfig and press Enter. Second, accessing and using Registry. Click on Start button. In the search box or Run window, type the following: Registry and then press Enter. Using the Registry editor is included in Windows to enable you to view and edit the contents of the registry. When you open the Registry editor, you will see a window divided into two panes. The left side shows a tree with folders and the right side shows the contents of the currently selected folder. To expand a certain branch, click on the little plus sign on the left of any folder or just double-click on the folder. To display the contents of a key or folder, just click the desired key and look at the values listed in the right side. You can add a new key or value by selecting a new from the Edit menu. You can rename any value and almost any key with the same method used to rename files. Right-click on an object and click Rename, or click on it twice slowly, or just press F2 on the keyboard. Lastly, you can delete a key or value by clicking on it and pressing Delete on the keyboard, or right-clicking on it and choosing Delete. Assessing and using Directx Diagnostic. You can test Microsoft Direct Draw and Direct 3D on each monitor attached to your system. To run the Directx Diagnostic tool, the DX Diagnostic Tools window of Windows XP differs from Windows 7, but it does the same function. Just click on Start button, type Run on the search box. On the Run window, type in DXDiag and click OK or press Enter. As shown in the Figure 9 Run dialog box. Next, you will see a new window with various tabs. The System tab shows information about your computer and displays the version of DirectX installed on your computer. The Display tab lists your current display settings and allows you to disable Directory Draw, Direct 3D, and EGP texture acceleration. You can also test Direct Draw and Direct 3D from the Display tab, which the Directx Files tab shows the file name and the version number of each Directx file installed on your computer will indicate that the Directx graphics runtime files are installed and operating correctly. Next, we have the sound. Sound tab displays your current audio settings and allows you to test direct sound. It will tell you if the audio driver is signed, meaning that it has passed Microsoft Windows Hardware Quality Labs testing standard. The hardware sound acceleration level slider is used to correct audio glitches that might be caused by some audio drivers. You can adjust the slider settings and see if it provides better results in your application. The Music tab displays your current MIDE settings and allows you to test the Direct Music component of Directx. Click on the Test Direct Music button to perform the test. The Input tab. The Input tab lists the input devices connected to your computer, such as USB and PS2 devices. It also displays the input drivers installed on your computer. If the Directx Diagnostic Tools detects a problem with an input device or an input device driver, a warning message is displayed in the notes box. The Network tab. The Network tab lists the registered direct play service provides. These are the connection methods that Direct Play will operate across. A registry problem here can normally be resolved by reinstalling Directx. The More Help tabs allows you to further troubleshoot problems that the other tabs could not resolve. Features include the Directx Troubleshooter, Sound Troubleshooter, System Information Tool, and an override which will override Direct Draw's refresh rate. There are 25 procedures in Windows Registry Backup and Recover. Step 1. Log on to the computer as yourself. Click Start Run, then type NT Backup and then click OK. The Backup or Restore Wizard window appears. Step 2. Click Advanced Mode. The Backup Utility Windows appears. Step 3. Click Backup Wizard. The Welcome to the Backup Wizard window appears. Step 4. Just click Next, then click the Only Backup the System State Data Ready button. Then Step 5. Just click Next, the Backup Type, Destination and Name window appears. In Step 6, click Browse. If you are asked to insert a disk into a floppy disk drive, click Cancel. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 7. Click the My Documents icon on the left side of the Save As dialog box. Then click Save. The Backup Type, Destination and Name windows reappears. In Step 8, just click Next, then the Completing the Backup Wizard appears. Step 9. Click Advanced. The Type of Backup window appears. Next, we have Step 10. Click Next. The How to Backup window appears. Step 11. Click the Verify After Backup checkbox and then click Next. The Backup Options window appears. Step 12. Just click Replace the existing backups and then click Next. The When to Backup window appears. Step 13. At the When to Backup window, click Now and then click Next. The Completing the Backup Wizard window appears. Step 14. Just click Finish. The Backup Progress window appears. The Backup Progress window indicates that the backup is complete. And Step 15. Just click Report. The Notepad application window appears containing the report and then close the Notepad. In the backup progress the yellow box, just click Close. Close the backup utility. And step 16, click Start Run, type Regedit in the open field. The Registry Editor window appears. And step 17, expand the HKey current user registry key, expand the control panel registry key, expand the power CFG registry key, right-click the screen, Saber Stars registry key, then click Delete, click File Exit in the Registry Editor window. Browse to the My Documents folder and locate the backup BKF file. Double-click the backup file to bring up the backup utility wizard and click Next. In step 18, just click the Restore Files and Settings radio button and then click Next. The What to Restore window appears. In step 19, expand the file. Expand the backup BKF file. Click the System State checkbox. In step 20, just click Next. The Completing the Backup of Restore Wizard window appears. Step 21. Click Advance. The Where to Restore window appears. In step 22, the default restoring location is original location. Click Next. The restoring system state will always overwrite current system state unless restoring to an alternate location. Warning window appears. And click OK. In step 23, click the Replace Existing Files if they are older than the backup files radio button. Step 24, click Next. The Advanced Restore option window appears. Be sure that all three checkboxes are selected and then click Next. Click Finish. The system recovery begins by copying the files back up to the computer. And when prompted to restart the computer, click Yes. The computer will restart. And last but not the least, step 25. Click Start Run. Type Regedit in the open field. Click OK. You should see the screensaver Stars registry key in the Registry Editor application window and click Files Exit. Okay, those are the 25 procedures in Windows backup and recovery. Okay, that's all for this morning. If you have any questions, clarifications, you can contact my cell phone number 0905-1571-448. For your activity and evaluation, just visit our GAITF link. Thank you for listening. Good morning.